Everyone, Paul here. Today I'm going to be going over some more predictions on where I see the stock market going today. I'm going to look at a couple stocks and I'm going to try and look at it on the 5 minute and then the hour and kind of make a judgment call of like short term where I see it going and long term where I see it going. So let's start today with SPY. And I have it on the 5 minute here, so it's really looking real obvious to this point where the 1348 is it's just about to cross on the 5 minute. And if we look at the MACD right down here, you'll see that it has already crossed up on the MACD. So most likely when the market opens, short term, it's gonna start going up. It probably will do a lot of what it did yesterday, is it'll shoot up and then go down and then try to go up again. But overall, short term, it's going to go up. But let's look at it on the hour and see what we can pull. Okay, so all the candles are on top of the 13 EMA, so it looks like a good trend upwards. Unless the blue line crosses down, that will be an indication of a downtrend. But right now, SPY looks like a uptrend by looking at the 5 minute and the hour. Let's look at QQQ real quick. It's probably going to be the same thing because the markets kind of mirror each other. QQQ is about the same thing. The EMA's 1348 is about to cross and on the 5 minute, and it's already crossed on the MACD. So the signal of it going up is pretty positive. Short term, it looks like it's going to be going up. Probably moments of market opening, it'll go up. But let's look at it on the hour. Okay, it's the same thing as before. QQQ has already gone through, crossed up right here on the MACD. So I think that QQQ has a trend going upwards. Now, me personally, and I'm going to go back into SPY here, but if I were to get in right now, and what I'm personally doing, I'm waiting on I'm just waiting on the price because I personally would have got in somewhere around here with the cross. So I probably would have got in about 269 on QQQ, but if we look at QQQ for 269, so let's do QQQ. So if we got in, so say we want to do an option, we say it's going to go up, and say we wanted to come in at the moment it crossed, which was 267. So 267, you're looking around $600 right now. So me personally, I'm waiting for a sign for it to either probably cross down, probably for it to cross back down, whether that be on the hour or the 5 minute, probably the 5 minute. So since I'm going to be doing my options probably on Thursday and Friday, I'm probably going to just do it on the 5 minute. I'm going to wait for the 5 minute and for it to cross down. That's probably my next move. But anyway, let's look at SPY real quick and kind of see the prices right now. Oh, yeah. So for the 5 minute, I would have got in probably around 364, but it's kind of too late for that right now. So let's look at SPY. SPY, we have, let's say it's going to go up, so we wanted 264. Was it 264? What was the price? Oh, it was 364. 364 I would have got in at this price, and that price, you can see how expensive it is. And why is it expensive? Because it's probably going to go up. So that would be the price that I would have got in, but it's too late for me right now. I'm just waiting for it to go down and for the 1348 to cross down for me to make my move. But it looks like a good uptrend. But anyway, let's look at a couple more. Let's look at Amazon real quick, see what they're doing. Wow, all of them are crossing. All of them look like they're going to be going up today from the indications that we have. So Amazon on the, we're on the hour. Let's do the 5 minute real quick. Amazon on the 5 minute. Okay, well, Amazon just crossed on the 5 minute. It just crossed, so it could be going up right on open. So probably would be a good spot. I would get in probably around 116. So let's look at Amazon at 116. 116 call. Amazon. Let's say we wanted to do a 116. Wow, that's a good deal right there. It's right now about $255 for a call. For a call right here. So this is something I probably would get into, but I'm not I try to focus on the EFTs, QQQ, and SPY, but this is a good entry point in my opinion. Not financial advice. But let's look at the hour real quick, see what it's going. Well, it looks like a uptrend here. So if I were to get in on Amazon on the hour, I would have got in right here, right before the cross. Probably right down here. We're going at 113. So the 113 is about $460 right now. So anyway, good plot. It looks like it's going to be there. It's above the 13 EMA, so it looks like it's going to go up. A lot of these look like they're going to be going up today. Just my opinion. Now let's look at Microsoft. Let's see what they're doing. Well, yeah, well, it's there. It's already above. Oh, here we go. Here's a big indication here. We could see that it has already. We're on the hour. Let's just do the hour real quick. But we could see that the trend has already gone up on the EMA, and the MACD is signaling that it's going to be going down because you see it's about to cross on the MACD. So it's unlike everything else. Microsoft, I believe, it's going to start going down, at least on the hour. Let's look at it on a 5 minute. Okay, so long term, Microsoft looks like it might be going down, but short term, like right when the market opens, it might go up. So if you want to get in, because it's crossing up on the 5 minute, but it's crossing down on the hour. So if you want to get in quick, I would suggest on the 5 minute getting in and out. And on the 5 minute, I would go in for 238. So the 5 minute, I would go for a 238. So let's see. Microsoft, I would go for a 238. It's about $425. for that, for the 5 minute. And then for the hour, I would signal a put. I do about a 237 put, just my own opinion. 237 put. It's about $315 right now. So let's look at one more stock. Let's look at Apple. Okay. So let's look at the 5 minute real quick. Okay, Apple. Okay, so we have a signal down here on the MACD that it's already crossed through. So my prediction for Apple is it's going to cross through the 1348. So I'm predicting that it's going to go up. I personally would wait till it crosses, but I would put in for a call around 143. So 143. $143 for Apple. Let's see. 143. So we're looking at 273 for the 5 minute. Let's look at the hour real quick. Long term, it looks like it might go down. So you see the MACDs are already signaling that it's going to be crossing down. So long term, it might go down. Short term, it'll probably go up. So make that judgment call on you guys. But anyway, I probably won't have another video coming out for a couple days. Trying to get over a head cold here. But anyway, I will come back with another video on Saturday. Other than that, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in future videos.